I'm Luis Moter. I'm Skyler house mechanic in the Husqvarna Factory Racing team. On race condition, like to adapt the bike like for our factory riders.
My 2023 Husqvarna 450 Rally has been an absolute dream to work on, and be involved with the development and the testing and all of that has been such a super cool experience to see what goes into it, how the team works and everything, and it's been really, really cool to have my own personal input on how my bike is set up. And yeah, I'm excited to put it to the test.
Husqvarna Rally 2023, I think, is the best bike I ever ride. Feels like the bike was built for me, so it fits my style. It's more light. It's a really good bike to fight for the win.
Giving my feedback on the bike has been one of the coolest parts about working with Husqvarna, because they actually take your input and put it to use.
I was really close to the development of this bike, and I'm really happy to help the team. With my experience, I try to give them my information to make it good and better and safe. That's one of the most important parts.
When we are testing, like in rally, we always set up bike before every rally. We always try to do like a road book, like in race condition, to make sure the bike is good also at like navigation speed.
Feature that I definitely could not live without, there's two of them. Fuel tank capacity, that's definitely one. Can't go long distances without the fuel tank, and you gotta have this road book. The fairing on the front screen and the road book and that whole thing, these super long distances on the bike, to block the wind like that, to have your navigation equipment right there and be streamlined through it. It's one of the highlights of it. It makes the riding and the comfortability way nice.
I can live without the electric start, for sure. A few times in the stage it can happen that the bike stops, and if you have to do it a different way, for sure it's not possible.
Our new rally bike for Dakar 23 is much smaller than before. It's more like an enduro bike with like the things you need in rally.
My favorite features of this bike is the chassis and the engine. The engine is really strong. In the dunes it has a lot of torque, and the dunes is my potential, let's say. So with this engine I feel quite happy. It's hard to describe, but I really like the colors, the white colors. Looks great on the desert, so I'm really happy to ride on it.